Comes with coolant, that's worrying. that is coolant. We'll get it off. Actually, I'm gonna just send it now. Still gonna send it! Hello everybody, I know this video is a little bit random, but around about 2 weeks ago we did another Greenlight challenge and we bought a Mark 1 MX5. We bought it, we're going to modify it, we're going to drive it across the country. So I've put together a little couple part series of my experience of the trip and a bit of an extended version of us and the MX5. But you said the full video is on Greenlight's channel. If you want to watch the full adventure video, I'll leave a little bit of a trailer here. We're going to go to Land's End, which is right at the bottom of Cornwall. We've got £1,000 if it had to be a convertible. And hopefully we all make it. And what you've done to it.
It's held together with a bit of wood and cable ties.
You broke down already?
Stuck in traffic, I'm not gonna lie, I am genuinely worried.
Not sure what I'm doing here,
But 10 minutes later,
but for now, just enjoyed a full video of what I filmed from buying the MX5 and modifying the MX5. And then there'll be another video in the next few days of our experience of the whole trip. So enjoy the video and I hope you like it. Well, we're actually just outside the Greenlight office now. Adam's supposed to meet us here. I don't know if he's going to be here or he's going to be in a few minutes. But we're going to go and see the MX5. I've never seen it. It's a Mark 1, apparently it's so low, the exhaust just constantly scrapes on the floor, like constantly. I might take it for a bit of a drive as well, because I've never even, I have driven a Mark 1 this I've been lying. But the plan is, we're going to, obviously this is for the Greenlight challenge that we're going to be doing next weekend. Adam is here, I can see a very low car.
Oh,
next, no, there it is. That's cool as fuck, look at the wing, oh the wing. Oh my god, what? What is this wing? What is that sticker? I actually quite like that sticker actually. And Adam is adamant there's no rust on it.
only bit surface rust.
Only bits. I hear that a lot. Ooh, little whip. Let's... Oh, it's got a code wheel. It's literally like sitting on the floor. How did you drive this?
Perfect, mate.
Hey, it's cool in here.
I fit in it just, but
what's this? Start up.
Seems to be connected up to anything. Yeah, here.
There, go on. Oh, is it fully electric? Is it fully electric window? What do you mean? We're gonna pop our headlights up.
Headlights.
Woohoo!
You play with the key. I'm going to pull the handle. It takes a few attempts to lock it.
Right.
And get the boot open.
Not sure what I'm doing here, Adam.
Fuel cap works.
Oh god. I think something does. Whoa, I don't know. What is the aim?
I'm a little bit confused here.
Well, yeah.
It's a very dodgy shot of.
Oi!
Hey!
Comes with coolant, that's worrying. And black paint.
Oh,
There's a whole car done in that.
That is the colour match. Look.
Do you reckon they've saved money by not doing the door shuts and returns?
Yeah, definitely.
There you go.
I poured some fuel into it the other day
Yeah.
because we were out. It was
Oh shit.
and it stripped the paint.
I absolutely love it. Right, so I've got to lock the driver's
You've got to
door.
try and lock that driver's door. Now take the key out.
And does it unlock it? What do you mean?
what comes up?
It's just
Okay, I'll put it with the window.
It's just a bit of trim. I'll probably get rid of that anyway, dress back. What a lovely place to put the air filler.
That's really good, that's a really good relocation.
I think we need a new soft top. No, a bit of gaffer tape would be alright.
Good luck with your £200 budget, mate.
Nah, it's alright, I've already found
Oh, right, okay.
You've already found what?
a roof.
You've already found a roof in £200 budget?
We're at less than £200 budget. Got a friend.
So wait, so you've got no
Is it
money?
that bad?
Oh, shit. Are they easy to change?
Yeah, you might understand.
What the fuck? You've run out of time and you don't have time to do it. No, flip your seat forward.
What is it?
Can you not see it?
Oh, it's an underglow.
Oh, yeah.
That's what that's for. That's the RGBs for the underglows.
It's a free mod.
I've done them plenty of times. You've not got anyone better, have you?
I wonder if they're something to do with the switches.
Oh, probably. Oh. Yeah, it's some more. It's coming off. I think it's the. I don't know if it's the aircon or.
It might be aircon.
No, it's definitely dripping down a pipe. Is that the radiator? No, that's coolant. That is coolant. It is 100% coolant. I could see which cause it was coming from as well. Right, if you ever work on your own car, definitely don't buy a Lockwood MX5. That took us about 20 minutes just to get the car in the air. That was a joke. Not the safe. It actually it stayed up in the air on 3 jacks. So there's one there just to keep. I'm absolutely knackered after doing that. Holy shit. We're gonna drain the coolant and then just do that hose kit. I'm not looking forward to it because the amount of rusty clips I'm gonna run into. Have we got a special clipper? Go. I was looking for a drain plug and I couldn't see one, but it's right at the bottom, and I'm so glad because I hate having to take the lower radiator hose off.
Winking on it as well.
Maybe if I let the pressure out, it'll come out. Oh yeah, there we go. Right, so this is the pipe where it's leaking from here. I've just rubbed it down a little bit, sandpapered it just to see if there was like any hole or anything like that, and the rust doesn't seem like it from this angle. It's like a rust hole. But I've just cleaned it all up just so the new pipe would sit better. I'm just going to get it really tight around this nipple. I hope it doesn't leak because I can't physically see a reason why it is leaking at the minute, which is good. But that could be also bad as well, because if it does still leak I won't really know where to fix it, and I'll just have to get another one of those J pipes, which I'm sure won't be too difficult, but as I said, we don't want to be doing that. But let's take off all the other hoses. Might not use every single hose in the kit. We're just going to get to the ones that are easy to get to and easily visible. There's no point in getting ones right underneath the engine or anything like that. It's just a waste of time. Got to be quite time efficient, so all the easy hoses I can pull off and change, we are going to do that, but priority isn't going to be using every single one of them hoses. Right, coolant hoses are on. We have a few which we haven't used because either we've not got good access to, or a few of them are oil hoses, so we've not dropped the oil yet, and one of them is a heater matrix, which just looks like too much of a pain to even worry about, to be fair. As I say, we're against a time budget, but the lovely boys at Ram Air have sent us a filter. So they sent us 4 just because we didn't know exactly which size we wanted and exactly which one we wanted, so we got 4. We've got the foam ones, but I actually really like that they've got a new design in the Ram Air ones. This is like a new colour scheme and stuff. I really like these ones, so I think we're gonna go with one of these ones. Right, where are we up to, Adam? We've done the plugs. We got some new spark plugs, they came. £17 a plug Euro wanted.
£2 a plug from Bennett's.
I mean, I was joking, Euro, I love you really.
Yeah, and
Sponsor me if you want.
£4 for a filter.
£4 for a filter. Blueprint, best of the best I've heard. Now the one thing about MX5 is the oil filters are in the worst place ever. They're down there. Hopefully it's hand tight and hopefully it's been changed recently. It doesn't actually look that old, to be fair. But if it's not hand tight, the odds of us getting a tool in there are rather slim. So we'll get it off. Actually, I'm going to just send it now. Shit. So this is where we're up to, guys. End of the day, it's about 7 o'clock. We're all fucking knackered. All the coilovers are done. Took a little bit of the piss because obviously I didn't have keys, but we managed to do it. Hopefully it's the correct height. And we've just started basically sanding the whole car. We've started doing it by hand first, which is paint, then we've got a DA. So it's looking on its way there. All the mechanical things are pretty much done. So we've done the coolant, we've done the oil. That's the only thing we need to do now are the brake pads. So PBS are sending us some brake pads tomorrow. This is what she's looking like. Knackering, lads, absolutely knackering. So we've got 2 nights left on the car, so we've got around about 10 hours of work left on the car. So in that 10 hours we've got to paint it and put the brakes on. So I think it should be doable, but for now I'm going to sleep, lads. So I'll see you tomorrow. Good evening, guys. It is another evening. I don't actually finish work at 6. I've come a little bit early because the PBS pads have arrived. Obviously, you guys know that I absolutely love PBS. Got a great relationship with Chris, the owner, and these are genuinely, I believe, the best pads out there. So obviously we're going to put these on the MX5 because we're all about handling and stopping. So I'm going to quickly put these PBS pads in. It looks pretty simple. Only little calipers, probably like 2 12mm on the fronts there. They pop them out, and probably something similar back, maybe just a hex inside there or something. But I'm gonna do this before Adam gets there, and we need to drop the car tonight, and then we're doing something absolutely mega tomorrow. I've got something in the back of the Greenlight van there, which I picked up today, and we want to. We had a reputation on the last trip of being the people who did the most of the cars, and we want to keep that going. So whatever's in there, it's gonna be very entertaining to watch. But for now, let's get onto these pads because we don't have much time. Right, there we go. That was an absolute fucking nightmare doing them brakes. They're on. Car's a lot higher as well. So a lot more rideable, usable. I'm gonna drive it home now, and then obviously we're gonna get to the next thing that I told you about in the back of the van. I'm gonna tell you, we're painting the whole fucking car with a gun. So that we're gonna do that tomorrow. So we're gonna do a little bit of fill tomorrow. But probably we're just going to absolutely send it with the spray gun. So I'm going to drive this home and I'll pick you up tomorrow. Right, we're all here doing the last minute jobs, of course. It's about 7 o'clock. We've just found out that we can actually paint the MX5. We almost had a bit of a hiccup with the gun, but we've got the gun and the compressor. But our compressor isn't that pressured, is it? So I'm kind of worried where the how it's going to spray, but we're going to makeshift a spray booth with shrink wrap and the Greenlight gazebo. Here I am well, I don't know what time it is, but it's dark, in a suit.
9:15.
9:15, the MX5 is here. It's absolutely pitch black, but we're still gonna send it. MX5's there. Don't know if you can see much on camera. Let me turn the exposure up a little bit. Yep, that didn't help. MX5 is here. It is actually flashing of lightning. I hope to God it doesn't rain, but I'm going to let Adam mix this paint up because I don't have a clue what I'm doing, and we're just going to absolutely send it with a gun. So, wish us luck. Hey guys, we're spraying an MX5, it's dark as fuck, still going to send it. Right, give me a second one on the go.
Bit of distance, yeah.
So here we are. It started to rain, so Adam's idea was let's roof him in. So we did. So Lee Lockwood is now fully in. We have roof.
What the fuck are we doing?
But any last words before you die?
Yeah, I can't see. Right lads, so it's the next morning since we painted the MX5. Look at this. Right, now the worst thing about it is is that just water or is that actual paint? That's just water. It literally started pissing it down, and there was a big pool there, and it just went and it literally just wet the whole car. Like, look at all that. You might, hang on, it's way too overexposed, sorry guys. There you go, you can probably get the colour now, it probably looks silly a minute ago. Look. So all that water just went all over the car. So seeing the paint now, so they literally would, if that didn't happen, it would have come out fine. Like, it would have come out like that, which is good, but literally all the water has just absolutely ruined it. So I've got some 1500 grit sandpaper. We're going to see what we can do quickly. But no, I'm happy with that, man. I'm actually happy with that. It looks good from a distance, which is always what we wanted in the first place. First time I ever painted anything. Sorry, got Hallelujah in the van, been popping that on the way. So yeah, we got some 1500 grit. We're gonna see what we can do with this, but it's not like fully, oh.